Alright, what's up guys? Dr. M3 here. Just got back from grocery shopping in the Huracan Performante. Now, first of all, if you've not been following me on YouTube here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit notification, and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and yes, TikTok. Go check it out. I figured I'd do a quick video here because, frankly, I was cooped up at home. And it's no fun. It's with all that's going on. I know a lot of people are anxious, and I want to reassure you that this too will pass. But I've also seen a lot of people doing a lot of stupid stuff, and so for young folks, yeah, you may think you're immune, and this won't bother you, but we're now starting to see reports of younger people getting hospitalized at a higher rate. So bottom line is all of us have to take care of each other. We've got to look out for what we're doing. Listen to the experts. When they say social distancing, it's important. Now, social distancing doesn't mean you can't go outside and exercise and run or walk. It doesn't mean you can't go out and drive a car. It means that you can't congregate in large groups. It's just not a smart thing to do. And so I want all of you to realize that yes, you can go out and do things, but just exercise caution. Hand washing, and of course everybody's going nuts about hand sanitizer. The best kind of sanitization is what? Washing your hands, not touching your face. But obviously when you're out and you're doing things and you come in contact with surfaces, hand sanitizer is important. I don't know what this rush is for toilet paper. I don't get it. If somebody can comment below, let me know what this is all about, because I want to get in on this. But why am I making this video? I just kind of want to let you know that yes, life goes on. You still got to do the things that you've got to do. Don't get so freaked out by all of this. We're all in this together, and you just gotta use common sense and listen to what the experts tell you. They're not out there trying to scare you. It's gonna get worse in the U.S. before it gets better, and there are a whole bunch of car events that have already been canceled, and it kind of sucks. But what we can do as a community is educate each other. We can go out in smaller groups and do things. But just use precaution. Just use your head. Don't be stupid about it. But also, you've got to remember, you still got to live. Right? So if it means going out and doing, your mental health is just as important. And I can't stress that enough. I think if you're in the house and you're cooped up and you can't do very much, we see this all the time, seasonal affection disorder. You just gotta come right on the wrap there. Seasonal affective disorder. You just gotta care for your mental health as well as your physical health. So anyway, I kind of just wanted to make that quick message. Please take care of yourselves. Go get the food you need. Don't hoard. Just be safe and be well. Anyway, in the meantime, if you want to go back and look at some of the old Dr. M3 videos, if you want to see some stuff that's going on now and some stuff maybe that I haven't posted before, I'm doing some of them on TikTok, so you can go check that out, or on Instagram. At any rate, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. We do have a tunnel coming up ahead here, so you're going to like that.